Some people love French knots and others not so much, but with a little patience and a few tricks, they are actually pretty simple. Start by bringing your needle and thread up through your fabric. With your needle in one hand, use your other hand to wrap the thread up over your needle. Here I have wrapped 2 times, making sure to keep the thread fairly tight in your hand. Next, put the tip of your needle close to where you came up, but not in the exact same hole, and carefully pull on the thread to shimmy the wraps down the needle so they are laying on the fabric. Still holding the thread in your hand, carefully pull the needle all the way through the wraps until a knot is formed on the top of the fabric. Once again, needle up, wrap the thread around the needle down, shimmy the wraps to the base of the needle, and pull the needle through, all the while holding the thread in your non-needle hand to keep it nice and tight. The size of your French knots will be determined both by how many strands of floss you are using and also how many times you wrap the thread around your needle. The first knots I did all used 6 strands with 2 wraps. Here I will show you the difference between 1, 2, and 3 wraps. The more strands and the more wraps, the bigger the knot.